Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to unbox a Hot Wheels car. So let's check the car. This is the 2020 Lamborghini Veneno. Veneno is one of the fastest racing car made by Lamborghini. So let's unbox it. So let's welcome the car. This is the Lamborghini Veneno. So if you like the video, click on the like button. Share my videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please use the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notifications of my new video. So till our next video, bye.